Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to set up the EZVIZ RS2 robot vacuum and mop combo. So in order to set it up with the app, you'll need to download the app from App Store, which is called EZVIZ. You can see it here. It can be downloaded on App Store on iPhones or from Play Store on Android phones. After you install it, click on Open, and then you'll be asked about your region and to log in. After you log in, you'll see this screen. Before we continue, first let's take care of the robot. We need to plug in the base at the back with the charging cord. You can see it lights up right here. And we can open this door and first fill in the water tank, which is the blue one. So you need to just open this lid right here, just like that. Fill it with water, then close this lid. It's quite tricky, but you can manage to do it, just like that. And then you should with the robot take out its protection. So here is the bumper protection on each side. You should take it out. Also you should remove these plastics. And now install the side brushes and mop assembly. So in the box there are these mop brushes. Also there are replacement pads under this door right here. So I'm gonna just install them. Let's flip the robot over, and these brushes will be put on here. They attach with a magnet, so it's pretty easy to put them on, just like that. And also the side brushes, which I have here, should be placed here on the robot. And as you can see, it is attached right now. So we can continue with configuring the robot, and to do it you'll need to open the app now. And click on Add Device. So here we have the Add Device button, and now select which type of device. So it will be the robot vacuum cleaner. Then allow to access camera and scan the QR code, which is at the back of your device. Then allow EZVIZ to access local networks. Now make sure that the device is powered on. So to power it on, you need to put it in the charging base. It should be put this way, so the mopping pads go inside. Now it should light up after a moment.
Hello, nice to meet you. In order to add the device, please use EZVIZ app to scan the QR code on device. Starting to charge. Low water in clean water tank.
And now if it's turned on, you can select device is powered on and click on next. Now click on start. And then it tells you to press and hold the power button to start the device. It is already turned on, but I should slide it out of the charging base now and open this lid right here. Now look whether the Wi-Fi symbol is flashing blue. So you should see here that there is this Wi-Fi symbol, which should be flashing green. If it is, then everything is correct. But if not, then you should press on the reset button, which is next to it, and hold it for about 4 seconds until you hear a beep sound. Then, when everything is okay, click on the indicator is flashing blue and click on next. Now select the Wi-Fi network you want to connect your robot to and enter its password. Then click on next, and now it'll ask you to join the own Wi-Fi network of the robot. So click on join and it will join it.
Connecting to the network.
And now it's connecting. You can rename it if you want and select the room it is in. So I'm gonna put it to living room, next. And now it's configuring, so let's wait a moment.
Added successfully. Docking station connected.
And now it's added successfully. You can see that it has a camera built in, so it shows you the screen. You can also use the camera sticker to hide the camera. Then you can adjust some few settings, like save the device QR code. You can change the language, the time zone, enable or disable adjustment for daylight saving time, and change the date format. Then click on next. And now it asks you to change the encryption password. So I'm gonna put in a new password for that. Now click on have modified, and now it is connected. You can go to that, agree. Now select if you have a pet in your house, next. Then you can click on go to study to know better about your robot, or click on no go to clean and OK. And it is connected. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.